G'day mates, Dale here. Today we're unlocking the flavour potential of the humble onion with an incredible recipe for caramelised balsamic onions. Sweet, tangy, jammy, this stuff is liquid gold and surprisingly easy to make. All you need are some brown onions, some butter for richness, brown sugar to help the caramelisation, tangy balsamic vinegar, a splash of red wine for depth, and basic seasoning, salt and pepper. First up, slicing the onions. We're doing what some call is an Asian cut, basically slicing lengthways, following the lines of the onion from pole to pole. This helps them break down nicely while keeping some texture. Try to aim for reasonably even cuts. Grab a wide-based pan or pot, throw on a splash of oil, and melt a generous knob of butter over medium heat. In go the onions. It'll look like a mountain, but trust me, they shrink dramatically. We're just gently sauteing these now, stirring occasionally until they soften and turn translucent. This takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Keep the heat gentle. Once they're soft, sprinkle over the brown sugar. This helps speed up that beautiful caramelization process. Keep cooking on low to medium heat, stirring every few minutes. See those brown bits sticking to the bottom of the pan? That's flavour. Once they've got this gorgeous colour, we deglaze with the red wine. Pour it in and watch it sizzle. Use your spoon to scrape up all those tasty brown bits from the bottom. That's called fond, developed through the Maillard reaction, and it's pure flavour gold. Let the wine bubble and reduce slightly. Now add the balsamic vinegar. Stir it all together and the smell is amazing right now. We'll let this simmer away gently, stirring now and then, until most of the liquid is cooked off and the onions are thick, glossy and jammy. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Taste to sample and adjust if needed. And there you have it, incredible homemade caramelized balsamic onions. Perfect for stepping up your home cooking game. Make sure you store these in the fridge. You have to try this recipe. It's delicious. Thanks for watching.